Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial videos of Tech Lover. In this quick tutorial video, I just want to show you how to delete your old account on Mobile Legends and how to get started with new one. You know, when you uninstall the Mobile Legends, you cannot start with new one. This is my account. You can see I want to delete this and I want to start with new one. You have to reset your phone. No, you don't need to reset your phone to start with new account. It's very easy. Now I want to show you how to do that. Just get out of the game and uninstall the Mobile Legend game from your phone. And once you have done, like uninstall, okay, I'm gonna delete that, and I have done. So you guys, you know, this is an important thing I want to explain to delete the data. Now, how you can delete the data, the saved data which belongs to Mobile Legends, you have to delete them, and you can start with new account. So for doing that, you have to go into setting of your iPhone and check out for privacy. We have here privacy, and once you have gotten inside, you will take on advertising. Click on advertising and reset the advertising in identifier or whatever, I don't know, reset it. So once you have done, you just get out of this menu and check out for Mobile Legends from the Play Store of your iPhone. It all belongs to iPhone. You can do it on iPhone, and right here Mobile Legends, I'm gonna type and I'm gonna search for Mobile Legends now on my Apple Store App Store, sorry, and here's my Mobile Legend. Bang bang, I'm gonna install it and just install it. I'm gonna pause the video, and here you have done. So I'm going to open the game now in my phone, and we're gonna check for our account. Is it there on our iPhone or no? So I'm going to open it. Here you are, guys. Before this video, I tried a lot to delete my account, but I couldn't. Then I decided to make a video to help you guys about my problem that I had, and here I made it. And here you can share it with your friends that they also maybe have the same problem. And take hello, welcome back. It's my Apple ID, and I'm going into Mobile Legend now. Here you are, guys. Create your character. So I have to write my name there, and I have to keep continue to start with my new account. So it was very easy way to start with new account on iPhone in Mobile Legend games without resetting your iPhone. You know, I saw a lot of guys who reset their iPhone to start with a new account of Mobile Legend in their iPhone. It's not a good idea. This is the easiest way. You can do it in 2 minutes, and it's very helpful. Thanks guys for watching. Hope this video helped you guys, and hope you're gonna share it with your friends, and don't forget to like my video, and hope you're gonna subscribe to support my channel. Here we are. We're gonna check out for new videos on next times. Goodbye, see ya. Wow.